At the Garant plant in Saint-François-de-la-Rivière-du-Sud, Quebec, we proudly design and make innovative tools and accessories. Since 1895, we've been designing quality tools for quality jobs. Tools designed right here, by Canadians, for Canadians. We leverage our know-how to create must-have solutions for snow removal, gardening, construction, and landscaping. Sturdy products tested for durability. With more than 1,500 products on offer, we have what you need for every season. Our vision is clear: to be the Canadian brand of choice for essential tools and accessories for all outdoor tasks and projects. Our products are everywhere. They can be found in close to 5,000 sales points across Canada. But most importantly, in your hands, where projects take shape. We're constantly innovating, because here at Garant, we do more than just manufacture tools. We reinvent them by constantly pushing the envelope, making them more ergonomic, more powerful, and more efficient. And behind every tool we make is our team. Over 350 people, united by collaboration, respect, and innovation. This human strength is the key element in forging our quality products. Whether you're a pro on the job site or doing yard work on the weekends, our tools are designed to ensure reliability, performance, and pride in a job well done. Garant, your solid ally.